All right, in this guide, I'll show you how to forward emails in Outlook, and we're keeping it super simple so you can follow along without any confusion. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to outlook.com, then sign into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the left sidebar and pick the folder where the email is located. Like inbox, sent items, or maybe a custom folder you've made. Now click to open the email you want to forward. Once the message opens, look at the top right corner of the email window. You'll see a small arrow icon or a button labeled Forward. Go ahead and click that. Outlook will instantly create a new message window with the original email attached or quoted below. In the To field, type the email address you want to forward it to. If you want to send it to more than one person, you can also add addresses in the CC or BCC fields, totally optional. Before sending, you can add a note at the top if you need to explain something. If not, no problem. The original message stays intact below your text. After everything looks good, click Send. The email is now forwarded, and you should see it appear in your Sent Items folder almost immediately. Now, if you want to set up automatic forwarding, Outlook can do that too. From the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. Then scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. In the menu on the left, choose Mail, then Forwarding. Turn on the toggle that says Enable Forwarding. Enter the email address where you want everything to go, and choose whether you want Outlook to keep a copy of each forwarded message. Click Save, and yeah, auto forwarding is all set. And that's basically everything you need to know about forwarding emails in Outlook, both manually and automatically. It's quick, it's clean, and it works the same on almost any device. And yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you found